You guys go to court, and this is what you do. You go to court, and you don't understand the layout. So you go to court because your child's mom is suing you for child support, suing you for custody. And then you go to court, and I tell y'all not to go in front of hearing officers, but you don't listen to me. Not realizing that hearing officer is just a deck stacker. She's stacking a deck against you. She's not going to ask you anything in your favor. Everything she's going to ask you is against you. And you allow a person that's supposed to be neutral to ask you questions. For example, I went to court when Atia LaShawn Bradley was trying yet again at a foolish attempt to put a restraining order on me. Atia LaShawn Bradley said that I had a silver 9mm handgun. The gun was a .380. It wasn't a 9mm. However, I didn't say, I ain't got a 9mm, it's a .380. Because I went to school for law, I understand litigation. And nobody litigates better than me. I found this out when I was in the military. I did 21 years, and what I found out when I was in the military is that intellect trumps stupidity, accusations, and delusion any day. Back to my story. Atia LaShawn Bradley put in that I had a silver 9mm handgun. I had a .380. I goes to court, and they want me to testify. And I said, first of all, I'm not testifying nothing. This is a lie. I'm here for you to give me evidence as to why you gave this woman a restraining order. For example, there was other things, but I'm gonna stick with the 9mm handgun. I said, this silver 9mm handgun, I don't ever remember owning a silver 9mm handgun, but I'll tell you what, I'll take a picture, I'll take a something of me holding a silver 9mm handgun. You know what the judge tried to testify for Atia LaShawn Bradley and say, well, you do own a gun, don't you? So, by him asking that, he would have said, strike from the record, Atia just made an error in guns. It was a .380, not a 9mm. So, when the judge asked me that, what I responded to that judge with, I'm not going to answer that. What she says here is, I had a 9mm. I was smart enough not to get dog walked into a correction of error by the judge for Atia LaShawn Bradley. You guys do that all the time. That's why you cannot go to court and allow them to dog walk you. Once a judge or a hearing officer asks you a question, you object immediately. She's supposed to be talking to me, not you. 732-875-9111. We can draft your motion up for you, or you can go to court and not say nothing. You're texting my secretary, not me. If you don't have everything set up, then you're not ready. Later, y'all.